let's move into the other calculation that we are focusing on ROI only, but this is involve a rental per month, so require you to do the comparison between the options that given that the question asks you to, if the company have the 5 acres of land, then they have two options, is either you sell all the buildings proposed project, or you retain the commercial for the rental and for the investment and sell all the residential building. So you are required to study the ROI, the viability in a sense of ROI between the options of proposal A and proposal B. So these are data given. So just copy paste from the previous exercise this table, so that we just have to key in the data and proceed with the calculation of the sales income and getting the ROI and other. Alright, so let's start the calculation. Now let's look into the building. 20-story Soho unit, which 60 per unit, so 10 per floor, 60 meter square per unit, and 10 per floor, which cost of the 10 per floor, 10 times 20, so 10 times 20, then we have 200 unit, area is 60 meter square, so the cost per GFA is 2,300. Then enter, you will get the 27 because of the formula that we have done just now. So we just delete all the data except the formula in the total cost, so then it's easier for you just to key in the data. So now then we go, next is 4-story shop office, which we have 500 meter square and 15 units and 500 meter square, so the cost is 1,300, and then you will get 97, so the total building cost is 37.5. Now let's look into the data, other related costs. Infra is 25% from the building cost, therefore just key in 25%, and you just check 25% times building costs, or you can just put it formula 25 times percentage. And then prelim, prelim is 8%, then you will get, because of the formula we have done previously. And contingencies and design reserve, how many percent? Contingencies is 3%, so now is 1.5, so total construction costs include the contingency is 51. Pre-development cost is 15%. Pre-development 20, pre-development is 15% from the construction costs, just to check, from the construction costs, pre-development. And we have done all this. Oh no, construction period 2.5, net annual rental, then they have the interest on finance, so we calculate the interest on finance, which maximum is then we use the formula C22. Alright, use the formula again, construction cost times 2.5%, 2.5 years, sebab construction cost dia 2,5 tahun. Darab percentage dia 7%. Alright, in bracket divide by 2. Sebab tadi saya sebut kita bayar first year separuh tahun interest, separuh lagi tahun terakhir, then kita darab dengan berapa persen margin dia? 75%. 75%, then you will get the data 3.3 million. So you will get the GDC is 62 million. So now let's look into the sales income. Sales income referring to two options. One is we sell all building, second is retain commercial to be rent out, and the residential we sell it. So let's copy this to story with the unit. Kita buat mula-mula kita buat proposal A dulu, type proposal A, then copy paste command V. So selling price kita dah tahu 20 story Soho 4 story shop office. Now kita nak tengok selling price 250 and 1.3 million. 250,000 and 1.3 million. Is it? This is 1.3 million. So 1.3 times 50, so you will get this. So just total sum up, you will get the 69. So I just the profit macam biasalah GDV tolak GDC, you will get the profit. Then percentage ROI is profit over GDC. Okay, now let's look into the proposal B. Alright. Proposal B, where we sell the unit residential. Again, just copy this. Just copy this. So you will get 50 million. And now 4-story shop office. 4-story shop office, kita kena dapatkan annual rental value dia dulu. Mula-mula rental value dia, rent per meter square darab per month 30. So mana nak tahu dia punya, kita dapat kirakan gross rental dulu. Gross rental adalah sama dengan gross rental kita 15 unit. Gross rental 15 unit darab berapa kita punya size, 500 meter square darab 500 meter square darab RM30 per month. 30 darab 12. So you will get gross rental 2.7 million. So dia nak sekarang ni gross rental, net annual rental adalah 75% from gross annual rental. So net rental is 75% from gross rental. So therefore equivalent 2.7 times 75%. So you will get 2.05. Ini per year. But then kita tak minus dengan annual outgoing. So annual outgoing sama dengan 20% from the total net annual value. So ambil 75% ni tadi darab 20%. So therefore kita punya total net rental is 2.0 minus 405, so you will get 1.6 million. Then kita guna formula untuk dapatkan capital value adalah 100 over R. So 100 over R, kita punya capital value kita percentage 100 bahagi, or what is the R? Return is 8. So 100 over R is 8. So 12.4. Therefore, our capital value is this one, equivalent 1.6 times 12.5. So 20.20, 570. So minus profit, you will get 11.85. So you can do the comparison between this, meaning that if you rent out a part of the development, you will get more profit as compared to sell everything.